Hey Saab people, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be installing this here tow hook license plate mount for Saab 9.3s 2003 to 2011. I will go ahead and leave this in the description. Go check out the Mad Max store on eBay. These products are awesome. If and when you buy this product, guys, go ahead and message the seller. Let them know that you got it from me. That'll seriously help out the channel. So now let's get into the install. Everything you need to install this is right here. Phillips screwdriver, a pick or a flathead screwdriver to get that tow hook cover off of the front bumper. And then you're gonna need a ratchet with a 9/16. The first thing you need to do is go ahead and pop the tow hook cover off of your bumper. For Griffin front bumpers, it's the circle. For regular front bumpers, it is a square sort of shape. Go ahead and take some anti-seize and put it on your threads. And also guys, do not forget, because this is a tow hook, it is lefty tighty, righty loosey. So we need to go ahead and start spinning this left. It's not gonna feel right in the beginning while it's tightening up at first, especially if you've never had a tow hook in this spot before. It took a couple of tries to get this in. Don't give up on it. So we are gonna put this to the off position here, and then that is tightened. Now it's just gonna come to a point where it stops spinning. Once it stops spinning, give it one extra little turn just to make sure it's snug. Now that that's all set, we can go ahead and start assembling the actual shaft. Everything you need is included in this little hardware package. So the order of how you assemble this is it's this circular here on the back, then this smaller circular here in the center. Then you take this particular mounting screw, it's the only one of this length, and you put it dead center in the middle. Once you have that sandwich section all together, you go ahead and install that onto here using a Phillips screwdriver. Now here's the part that is not in the directions. So this mounting part here, you can spin it to be any angle that you need it to be. If we were to mount it like this plate is about this long, so we could have it way out to here if we wanted. Or if we put it in this far, it would be touching the bumper, which we don't want. So before we tighten this down, we're gonna go ahead and angle it so that it's like this, and then we're gonna tighten it down all the way. Okay guys, now this is the part that's gonna take a little bit of trial and error depending on how you like your fit. So you can mount up on any 4 holes that you want, and that'll be these smaller holes here, not these bigger ones. So you could mount it over here if you'd like. You could mount it almost dead center, but this one is a little bit off center, and this is how I like mine personally, but if I decide I change my mind, I can totally redo it anytime that I wish. You still have access to this screw, so if you want to make sure it's straight before you tighten that down, that is totally an option as well. All right guys, so here's what it looks like all mounted up with a plate. And another thing that comes with this kit is these little clips. It goes behind the actual bolt. So you thread the bolt through this into the plate, like this one, and then it comes with these little black covers that you can pop over, just in case you like that look better. Here's what it looks like without the black covers. All right guys, let's go ahead and do a strength test on this. Wow, it's actually wicked strong. You can barely wiggle it or bend it whatsoever. If you want to do my channel a big favor, guys, go ahead and buy one of these. And when you do, reach out to the seller and let them know that you got it through watching my channel. Honestly, guys, in review of this product, I think it is absolutely fantastic. It is exactly what I wanted and needed. And if I decide that I don't like exactly how it fits, it's completely adjustable up, down, left, or right. This tow hook license plate mount is an excellent option if you just got yourself a brand new front bumper, or if you have one that's completely unscathed and want to mount a front license plate because your state requires that you have that in order to be a legal vehicle.